When we use all with an uncountable noun, we use a singular verb. Examples: all of the news is fake. B. All of the water of this pond is polluted. Rule 5. When all is used with a countable plural subject, it takes a plural verb. Examples: A. All of the workers are here. B. All of the students are present. Rule 6. When we use or to connect two or more singular subjects, a singular verb is used. Examples: A. The pen or the book is yours. Rule number 7. When or joins two or more plural subjects, a plural verb is used.